Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to quickly turn off Snap for easier design tweaks. Click Create, then select Custom Size, set to 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to Elements, find Graphics, then Images, and add a graphic image to your design. In our design, you can move this element to a new position as needed. The lines you see represent the snapping effect in the image. To disable the alignment lines in Canva, hold the Ctrl key while dragging an object. This lets you move elements freely without seeing the guidelines appear, so you can place objects anywhere you like without snapping or alignment assistance. Release the Control key to see the effect again. This allows you to view the change after releasing Control. That's how to remove the effect using the Control key. Press the Ctrl key while dragging elements or images in Canva to enable snapping lines for precise alignment. Click Share and Download to remove the lines. You can also increase the image size to improve its quality before downloading. Now you know how to turn off Snap in Canva and subscribe for more quick tips.